Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name's Julia. Nice to meet you. Today is gonna be a vlog. So there's a couple things that are happening today, or at least like did happen, are gonna happen through this week. I'm done with school, thank God. Well, I have one class for summer, but it's not gonna be like that big of a deal in my opinion. I hope not. Yeah, so now I have a bunch of free time. Basically, for like the past couple days, I've just been chilling. I didn't post, if you're a subscriber, if you're not subscribed, I didn't post on Sunday because on Saturday I was just chilling with my family and I didn't really want to like film a video because I took finals up until last Friday. I wanted to like relax a little bit and just chill, and then I was just chilling on Sunday too. Didn't really do that much. So we did a Zoom call on Sunday night. Actually, that's like pretty much the only thing I did. We did a call for my friend Vanna's graduation. She's graduating, obviously with the coronavirus and everything, there's no walk-in graduation, so we're doing a Zoom call. And actually today, which she doesn't know, it's a surprise, we are doing a drive-by like graduation parade type of thing, so that should be really exciting. That's like 7, it's like 3 or 4 o'clock I think, but I'm excited for that. So I have to prepare for that. I'll show you guys the drive-by and everything. I bought some like balloons. I bought her a bottle of champagne to pop. It's gonna be exciting. I don't think she's expecting it just because we did the Zoom call last night, so you guys will see that today. That's basically like the biggest thing that's happening today. But I went to Target and I thought I'd show you guys what I got. So first thing is this curtain rod. This was one of those like spur of the moment things because I'm redoing my room, which as you can see, this room needs to be redone. This room's from 7th grade. It's time. I bought a curtain rod. I hope it's big enough. I actually just realized that I have 2 curtains, but I think I'm just gonna put on the big one for now because right now they're like little flowery things. And then I found these black ones from Room Essentials. They were only like 17 bucks, which I feel like that's a good price for them in my opinion because some of them were expensive. So, and it's not this small, it expands, so I think that would be good. I'll probably have to get another one. That's the first thing I got from Target. And I did self-checkout and I love this, so I got all the way back home and then I realized that I forgot it, so I had to go all the way back and I just came back. I got this little plant. I want a lot of greenery in the room and I thought this was super cute. Little plant, like 5 bucks. And then I got this Tanologist Express Tan, which I'm excited to try. I've heard some good things about this. I got the shade medium because I wanted to get the shade dark, but like I'm not that tan to begin with, so I think I would stay on the safe side and go to the medium. Then I got these drops to put in my moisturizer. Apparently these are really good too, so I'm excited to try these. Leave a comment down below if you've tried them. And then I bought this because I saw it on TikTok, because I'm gonna do a video of like trying things on TikTok that I saw on TikTok, whatever, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I bought this one. It's like a lip plumping one. And since I'm doing that video, leave comments down below of things that like you've seen on TikTok that like you want me to try, or you just want to see in general if they actually work before you buy it. I'll buy it and I'll try it for you. Those are all the things I got from Target. Not a super big haul. There's a couple things that I wanted to get, but I resisted. So basically now I want to start painting this week. We have to take out the moldings and everything. It's not just like a paint job. Like there's these moldings here which are kind of outdated in my opinion. They don't really match my vibe, so we have to take them out and then paint the walls. Yesterday I cleaned my room and I got rid of a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna start, because I'm doing a separate video on transforming my room. I probably won't be one video, it'll probably be a couple, but like the main one of like us painting, that'll be coming soon because I'm painting this week. Yeah, so right now I'm just gonna film for that, and then when I'm filling up the balloons and everything, I'll take you guys with me. If I do anything exciting in between, I'll show you guys. My hair looks so greasy, but we're just gonna go with it. So it's a little bit later. I took a lot of stuff down my walls. It actually looks so much brighter in here since I've taken down like everything. It's kind of crazy like how like decorations and everything work and like colors. So now I'm gonna fill up some of the balloons. So I got some car things, like some banners, and then I thought like I could put like one on my car and like 2, I have 3 in here, like 2 other people can. And then I have some balloons here. There's a backdrop here, but I don't really need it. But other than that, I'm gonna fill up the 2020 first. I don't know whether I should fill it with helium, because I have this helium tank here that my parents used to fill up balloons for my birthday. I don't know if there's enough for all the balloons, and obviously I'm not gonna fill up all the balloons because I'd have to get them from my car to somewhere. But I think I'm gonna fill the 2020 balloons with air. I feel like it'd be easier than filling them with helium because I don't want to like, pop any of them, because this is the only thing that we have. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. Finished the balloons. These are all of them. I don't know how I'm gonna fit these into my car. And then I forgot if I showed you guys, but I have these to tape on the sides of people's cars. So I'm gonna leave like now, because since I'm the one like kind of coordinating this, I want to make sure that I'm like there, so then everyone like knows where to go. That's happening. Okay, so after all that, I went to take them to the car, and both the zeros popped because of the heat. So now I'm trying to figure out what to do. I was kind of scared to bring all these star balloons. Hopefully they don't pop anymore. Oh my god, it's so aggravating. And see you guys in the car. I'm stressed. So we had a little bit of a crisis, like I explained. We kind of attached them. One of the zeros is kind of down. Hopefully the other one's fixed up. If not, then she's 22, because whatever. I know he's got all the other balloons. I have all the other stuff. I have her champagne. Oh my god, the light is so like horrible. My god, my eyes are gonna be blinded. But hopefully the zeros stay intact, because if God loves me, like I hope he does, he won't stress me out and deflate them. Hey.
No, he said he.
I'm gonna be the vlog. Let go.
But you have to videotape through like there.
Hi everybody, this is Vlogmas. Alright, vlog quarantine. We gonna be celebrating a graduation 2 days. Cause you know we the gangsters. This is my car right here. The boy.
I will. I will add
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna be famous.
Congrats, Vane. We love you. We're so proud.
Hi everyone, so it is the next day. Cinco de Mayo, happy Cinco de Mayo. Yesterday when I got home, I didn't feel like vlogging, and also I was kind of trying to take down more stuff from my room, which I'm making good progress. So today's Cinco de Mayo, so we're gonna go in the pool today, have a few drinks. It's currently like 3 o'clock. I haven't really done anything. I woke up really late today because I stayed up really late watching Teen Wolf, which if you haven't seen that, it's really good. Yeah, I'm just kind of just chilling. I wanted to sit down and tell you guys about yesterday. So yesterday we all met up, we decorated the cars, and then we went to like do the drive-by, and she was so surprised. She started crying. It was really cute. And then she popped the champagne. She wasn't expecting it at all. She was really surprised. So we did it. I changed into my bathing suit. I'll show you more like when I go to the mirror, but it's just freezing my house right now, so I'm wearing sweatpants with my bathing suit top. But yes, this is a bathing suit top. I'll have this link down below. It's this little bathing suit from Amazon. It's like has high-waisted bottoms. I'm gonna be doing a bikini haul soon. Let me know any places you want, like you're wondering where you should get bikinis from, or like you want to see me get bikinis from. Am I making sense? Yeah, or like comment down your favorite places that you get whatever bikinis. That's basically what's going on now. When I get ready to go in the pool, I'll show you guys like my swimsuit and everything, like I said. And I just got new home decor. I ordered this pillow cover from Amazon, but I was waiting for the insert. I got the insert today and I put it in. It's like this little cute like lumbar pillow. It's super cute. It kind of looks the color in the camera. It's like a blush pink color. It's super duper cute. I ordered another pillow from Etsy, and it's not gonna get here until like June, which is like a super long time from now. And then I think that's it. I think that's all I have for now. I haven't done my face routine yet because I haven't really been doing it since quarantine, but since I literally have nothing else to do right now, I might as well do it. I got this new little contraption for my birthday. I feel like I have to charge it and it's not charged, and then if it works without being charged, then I'll show you guys. Okay, so along with this new little thing that I got for my birthday, I'm also trying this Superfood Cica Calming Foam Cleanser from Elemis. And then I'm also trying these new drops, these Tanologist drops that I'm gonna mix it with my moisturizer because you can see my face is very pale. Also, my hair is super greasy because I decided not to wash it yesterday since I was planning on going in the pool today, so. just finished washing my face. I hope these tan drops don't make like too drastic of a difference. Like I only put 2 in and it says like the more drops the more, but I just did like 2 just to be safe. I should have taken before and after pictures, whatever, but my camera's dying, so I'm just gonna do my own thing and then I'll catch you guys later. This is the swimsuit, a little high-waisted. That's it. I'm using kind of like a funny, I'm using a shirt as a tripod right now because I don't want to get my other one wet, but I'm gonna show you guys, oh, whoever is of age, the greatest well, not the greatest cocktail, that's a very strong statement, but a really good one that I just discovered. I'm also gonna TikTok it too because it literally tastes like candy. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do, take your vodka choice and pour like a little bit, like up to like here, just a little bit, and then you're gonna take a grapefruit White Claw. Remember, this is if you're 21 because this drink is, so I poured it like halfway through. A little bartender over here spilled a little bit of the grapefruit White Claw. That's okay. And then white cranberry peach, a hidden gem at the grocery store. So that's my little cocktail. If I get any footage like of a pool or anything, like when we're in there, I'll put it in. But if this is the end, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, turn on the post notifications. I post every Wednesday and Sunday, and I'll see you guys next time.